JonnyPink, no hat today. Again, by this point in the morning, very harsh sunlight, or just very harsh light, period. This is the Sepulveda Basin Wildlife Reserve, a fantastic place to walk around. There's tons of little tiny birds to shoot today. Fantastic. It was pouring rain last night, so of course I have my macro set up here, and I have my R5 with the 500mm f4 with a 1.4 tele on it. That is just an amazing combo as well. I'm really happy with the setup that I'm currently using. Absolutely beautiful out here. So today I really just wanted to come out. I didn't even think about all that rain, and as soon as I saw all the water drops, it's now starting to evaporate off of the leaves. Absolutely beautiful. It's like little diamonds glistening in the sun. Simply wow. If it wasn't for the sounds of the helicopters and the ambulances over there and the sirens and the traffic, it would be very calm. Let me show you a couple of photos, man. These water drops. I absolutely love water drops, and instead of getting right up on top of some of them, I'm stepping back a little bit, trying to catch the diamond reflection of the sun in those water drops. Some of it I got, some of it I did not. I could see it with my eye, and then as soon as I stepped back with the camera, I wasn't getting it. But I tried with photos like this one to really get in there. A couple of little flying things, but you really have to watch them land in order to find them. And of course, then just going back and forth between the long lens and the short lens. There's no dogs allowed here, just so you know. Big signs, and people walk their dogs here all the time. No bicycles, people ride their bicycles here too. But I guess signs mean nothing. This is where you see a lot of hummingbirds right in this area. The cool thing about being out here is with the 500, sometimes I'm just too close to something. Even if I get way down, I'm too close. But this 100mm, which is actually shooting at 160 because it's on the Canon with the 1.6 crop, it's absolutely perfect, man. Just adjust my shutter speed accordingly, shoot what I want, drop it back down for macro, so I'm good to go. There's still a lot of reflections out here from the sun. Let's get a couple more shots. We're going to shoot out this way. Talk about my settings very often. For macro, again, most of the time I'm adjusting the power of the flash. Right now it's at a -3. My shutter speed is anywhere between 1/25 and 1/60th of a second, and I am shooting at an f13. So trying to get to at that close, you don't get much. That's your depth of field is really shallow. Make sure all the snot's gone. That's it, man. A little anticlimactic, right? If you have any questions about photography macro, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome to leave comments down below. I'm happy to answer anything I might know. There's a lot of things I don't know, and a lot of times I just want to have fun. I see a bee down there, so I'm going to go see if I can get a picture of that too. JonnyPink, thanks a lot, guys. I really do appreciate it. Please give it a thumbs up if you thought it was kind of entertaining, or a thumbs down, either way. You guys have a fantastic day out there. Whatever it is you're going to be doing, we'll see you out there with the camera or eventually on a bicycle again when it's not windy, cold. It's hot today. We'll see you guys. JonnyPink.